bunch of fish still deep. Over 17 feet of water. Is that crappie? I can't tell you, but one way to find out is to drop a jig down there. We're gonna come up on a hump here in a little bit, and that's where I'm gonna start at. You see it coming up now. Water temp is at 60. For you northern boys, just to let you know, I'm out here in short sleeve shirt. It's 72 degrees this morning. Right, there's the hump. We're up at 9 foot already. Not really showing any fish, but that don't mean that they're not there. Could be so tight to the structure that they're buried in there. So let's get this thing shut down. We're gonna move up front, and we can't put some fish in the boat. Color this water, we're gonna start off with a black and short on the Thump City crappie rod. There we go, y'all. Lovely. Absolutely beautiful. God damn, look at that fish. That's a big old female. Nice.
Guys, I know you see me blowing through colors, although I did catch a fish on Joe Dirt. I'm going to this short blue jig, and the main reason why I'm doing that is because it has a 1/4 ounce head, and this area that I'm getting ready to, this bank that I'm getting ready to go down, has a lot of structure down there, a lot of limbs, a lot of real sticky stuff, and I'm not sure which little section of it is going to hold fish, but as you can see, I got the video sped up here. I'm working this bank pretty good, and I use that 1/4 ounce jig because if I so happen to get hung on a limb or get stuck in a branch or something, some structure that's down there, I can wiggle that heavier head and it'll make that jig fall off. But you do have to know the difference between a structure and a fish thumping. Sometimes you'll tap up against a limb and it'll feel like a crappie has thumped it. That's a good little tip. Use a heavier head. When you get in heavy structure, you'll save some of your jigs.
Well, nice little 11.5 inch fish. Nice eater. They're basically not wanting any action. Just put it down in the brush and just hold it. I hate fishing like that, but if that's what they're wanting, that's what I got to give them. Oh, I can't believe it. No monsters, but that's 3 fish out of the same hole. Three fish out of the same hole. He got something going on right there, like he's been hit before. Something happening right there. Just a beautiful fish.
Guys, I know you guys always see me with my marker right there in front of me. A lot of times you catch a fish on a very small piece of structure, you can throw that marker out and stay on that pile. Whoa!
That'd be a big girl. That'd be a very nice fish. Bam! Nice one. Very nice. Bite. You got little ones, got mediums, you got big ones. That'd be a little one.
Now that little joker must have been doing about 100 miles an hour when he hit that jig running towards that brush pile, because as soon as I hit him with that jig, it was a snag. Let this be a little lesson for y'all. If you know you got thumped, you know that jig got thumped by a fish and he run off in the brush, give him a little time, give him a little slack, and they will come out of the brush.
Bam, bam. Double barrel.